Welcome back to the color washed 3 mini albums video, and this is video number 2. In this video I'm going to show you how I pick up my colors, how I sort them, and how I go ahead and cover my pages. In the previous video I'll show you how to make the base pages, and I used the 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I scored the cardstock on the long side at 6.5 inches and folded. For this particular project I used this ink. I don't know the name of it, but you probably recognize it. It's been on the market for a long time. It's the Galaxy Gold, and my light is not the best. Anyway, you can ink your edges or not. I like my ink. It just gives the album a more finished look. So these are my pages. I scored 6 sheets of cardstock, and I'm gonna glue them together to the binding. I use a paper clip for now, just to show you. This is gonna be one page, then it's gonna be a gusset, and be a second set of pages, and then the third. So they all kind of look about the same. And for this, because this particular paper stack has 3 of each designs, I'm gonna make 3 mini albums. I'm gonna use the cream. Also, I'm going to use one in white cardstock. I also inked with gold. In the camera, I won't focus on that one. And the black that was also inked with the gold ink. So let's go ahead. This is probably by far the most time consuming, because I'm just so particular about colors and there are just so many options. So this is the color washed. First, I pick out what paper I want to use for my cover, and for the cream mini album I'm going to use this striped aqua, and I saved this to use to embellish my cover, and I'm going to cut it and separate it, but for now I just left it like this. So I put this aside. For the first album I arranged my colors somehow in a rainbow pattern. I didn't start with red, I start with yellow. Because I want the purple to be in the middle, and then finish with the blue. And what I decided is to use this polka dot for the inside cover and the first page. So I'm gonna set that aside, and then I'm gonna use the orange ones for the inside of my first cover. So they're gonna cover this page, the pocket, one side and the other, and then this other one. So I'm going to put this together. For the outside of my first page and my second set of pages, I'm going to use this color combinations. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to cut this out, but that's going to be at a later video. So I set those aside for now. So the inside of the second set of pages is going to be this purples. I'm going to set this together, and then again it's going to be the outside of the second and the beginning of the third, and I choose a more colorful pattern, and this purple. I think they're going to go well together. And for the inside of the third set, I'll go with the blue-green, and this last page is going to decorate the back of the cover and the last back of the set. So this will be the inside of this page. So you can see I chose similar colors because this is going to be a pretty busy section. With this middle part, I'm going to use this pocket to put cards, photos, some other pockets. I wanted a more cohesive look. I'm going to start with the orange with the first one, and I'm going to show you how I decide further on.